This here is the 6 amp 40 volt lithium battery that I use for my 21-inch electric lawnmower. I have two, which allows me to cut my yard, which is about 1/3 of an acre. You do have the charge indicator on here, and honestly, I think I get about like an hour worth of use with my lawnmower. Again, when using both batteries, because I have two of these here, it allows me to cut both front and backyard. Again, depending on whether I'm using self-propel or turbo mode, or even using lights, might, use up the battery a little bit more. But for the most part, this 40 volt lithium battery, 6 amp, packs a huge punch. Actually really pretty heavy. And again, you can see how much charge you have with the battery in order to make sure you get your full use with it.